What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. On behalf of Britt, if you're new here, welcome. I'm Brittany, and today I have scored yet again with another super easy, lightweight, pretty protective style. And if you're interested in seeing how I achieve the look, stay tuned for today's video. We're like diamonds in the sky. I knew that way, babe. Come one right way, oh right away. At first sight, I felt energy of sunrise. I'm starting this video out looking a mess because I'm obviously about to do my hair. I'm doing the new version of kinky twist. This is like the current most popular way my clients have been requesting to do like starter locks or just the everyday protective style. And I want to do them today, but with weave, with extensions. Just a cute protective style to carry me through the rest of the summer. Something I can just get up and go with, but it's not too heavy or too hot. So I got 4 packs of the Twisted Up by X-Pression's hair. It's like a springy Afro twist. This is 24 inches, so when I fold it in half to twist it, it'll come out as 12 inches. I got 4 packs of the color 1 because they didn't have my natural hair color in the store, which is a 2. The 1 is the closest thing to it. And my gel of choice is the Jamaican Mango and Lime braid gel. Yeah, I like Twisted Up because of the twist pattern. It makes the perfect twist. You'll see in just a minute. And then the ends are pre-curled. Down on my line. Your friends are so we making progress. So it's a Friday night at the fun house, and my cousin typically stops by on Fridays. So while she was over, I had her get me started in the back, just helping me section and part. But after she left, I was all on my own, y'all. All my twists were in there. She did a great job at installing the ones in the back, but I had to sit there and twist them down. Hours and hours of twisting, clipping, detangling, and just making sure my twists were as neat as possible. Watch me work. Hey y'all, so it has been a couple of days since I finished my hair. I finished it all in one night, that same night that I started them. My cousin happened to be over, so she helped me part the back just to help me move faster. And then I was twisting them down after she just went ahead and threw them in the back. I twisted my whole head down to the ends, and then I foamed it down with some mousse, and y'all see me take a steam towel and kind of steam them down. I was trying my best to get them as slick and as settled and less puffy as possible. Because I don't want to dip them, this springy hair is meant to be like bouncy, springy, natural looking. And when you straighten hair like this, it's going to get bone straight. It's going to give that streaky, straight look, like how the pre-stretched hair comes to a fine point. These little curls and stuff are going to come down to be straight, and I want it to look super natural, so I just wet it with a little conditioner, and then I also like to go in with Eco Style gel. I haven't done it until today. I was playing around with my hair earlier today. Now that I'm actually about to go somewhere for the first time with this style, I wanted to make sure that it looks the best, so I'm going to take this Eco Style gel. This is what it looks like on the inside, and it also smells really good. And I kind of just use whatever's in the lid. It don't take a whole lot. And then like these little curls like this, I take my Eco Style gel and kind of like finger coil my hands around them and let the curls kind of come through like that. So anything that's looking like too stringy or too straggly, I try not to clip them, cut them, anything. I want them to kind of naturally fall. Even if some fall longer than the others, I want it to look like it's natural hair. And they'll end up like curling up and drawing back up after the gel dries. But yeah, this is what I'm standing here doing right now before I leave. Just making sure that all of them look super moisturized and that the ends look coiled how they did in the pack when I first pulled them out. I wish that the curls came out exactly how they look in the pack, but unfortunately once you pull the pieces apart and start twisting them and manipulating the hair, you're gonna separate the little coils that they make in the factory. So you kind of have to just sit and spin your hand in them and play in them. But yeah, this is how it turned out. I'm gonna let y'all actually see. Although y'all seen me twisting them in the other day, it was all sped up, so I wanted to come back and show y'all the final outcome. And when I first finished them, I finished them with the Kaleidoscope's Platinum Shine. Now I'm going in with this pink Sheen spray. Hold on, because I'm real obnoxious with oil sheen, y'all. I love a good shiny moisturized look. Give me 1 second. And this is the style, y'all. I played around with a few different styles before I pulled it up in this side pony. The side pony was just my mood for today, but I did it in pigtails. I did like a half up, half down. I showed y'all how they look all down the middle, over to the side. I styled them a few different ways before settling with this ponytail, so after I'm done running my mouth, I'm gonna put those clips in so y'all can see how they would look styled different ways. But this is my character, like, so cute, so full. But yeah, you can always pull thinner pieces if you don't want your ponytail as full, because it's a lot of hair. It took a lot to try to get my hair in this ponytail. Get into it. So pretty. And that is the style. It took us about 6 hours, even with my cousin's help, sectioning and parting the back. She would put them in, kind of go to where the top of my hair stops, and then let me twist the rest. Even with her doing that for me, it still took me about 6 hours to do my hair, just because I wanted it really full. I wanted them small. I don't want to have to worry about my hair for 6 weeks. So this should hold up. And yeah, let's get into the clips of how it looks styled different ways. I hope you all enjoy it. If you choose to try it at home and you want to know more details, anything I left out, let me know down below. This was just a quick 1-2. I'm vlogging 2 different vlogs and trying to make sure I keep y'all up to date on my latest protective styles at the same time. So I'm dropping in, finishing this video today, heading out the house. But yeah, let me know what you think.